afternoon. I'm here with Connor Tyrrell, who's going to give me a lowdown on how to tackle the fridge clear out issues for 2016. Connor, what's the best thing we can do?
Well, you were mentioning that you've been assigned some key KPIs for 2016.
Yeah.
So for Q1 I would aim for an 80% reduction in fungal and mold infection.
Okay.
And I'd recommend doing that by keeping Barbara on a short leash.
Oh.
And
Okay.
I found as well, and Nastia can have the best of intentions with fridge hygiene, but complacency is an issue for her.
Okay. Well, thank you, Connor.
No problem.
Okay, so this rocket will be thrown. This salad that'll be chucked. All the condiments will be reviewed today. And we have a plastic bag in here.
That's Barbara's.
That's apparently Barbara's, according to the previous fridge fraternity. And everything else. There's more rocket in here. Jesus, somebody's eating a lot of rocket.